Think about this. You walk into a dealership, check in hand, ready to pay cash for your new car. You think you're the king of negotiation, right? Wrong. In the eyes of the dealership, a cash buyer is a low-profit target. You just lost your biggest bargaining chip before even sitting down. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the 14 hidden layers of profit the auto industry doesn't want you to see. Meet Derek. He's a researcher. He spent months studying invoice prices. He negotiated for hours and got the car for just $50 above invoice. The salesman looked him in the eye and said, "We're losing money on this deal." Derek felt like a genius. But here's the kicker. His neighbor Travis went to the same dealer for the same car but paid $2,400 more. Why? Not because of the car, but because of the words they used when they walked in. Most buyers think the dealer's profit is just the gap between the sticker price and the invoice, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, there's dealer holdback, a hidden kickback from the manufacturer that can be worth nearly $1,000. Then there are volume bonuses, floor plan assistance, and regional rebates. Even when they tell you they're losing money, they're often clearing thousands in invisible incentives. But the real battlefield isn't the sales floor. It's a small office in the back. Welcome to the finance and insurance room. This is the most profitable square footage in the building. Here they sell you peace of mind, extended warranties, gap insurance, and tire protection. These aren't just services. They are high-margin products where dealers make 70% profit. If you tell them you're paying cash, they know they can't sell you these financing markups. So what do? They hike the car's price up front to make up for it. So, how do you beat the system? You play their game, but you play it better. First, never mention cash. Walk in as a financing buyer. This keeps your leverage high. Second, negotiate the out-the-door price first. Third, check for two things: no loan origination fees and no prepayment penalties. Once you've secured the lowest price and signed the papers, drive home and pay off the loan the very next week. You get the financing buyer discount without paying a dime in interest. That is how you win. The math doesn't lie, but people do. If you want to master the hidden mechanics of money and stop being the Derek in the room, hit that subscribe button. I'm Capital Coach, and I'll see you in the next one.